Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Sasri Akal, Deoburadis Makta, Namaskara Mataregla. Good day, everyone. Again, welcome back to channel Canada to Canada. We are in Qatar this whole week. I have come to visit my family and friends. It's an amazing place. Qatar, you guys know, Qatar is one of the best, safe and richest country in the world. So if you guys get a chance to come and see Qatar, that's amazing. You guys should not miss it. And there are some places here like beauty of the Qatar to see. I'm going to a few areas where I can, but I'm not sure much about Qatar. Friends of mine and my family people are taking me out, so I will show you wherever they take me, and we'll see how beautiful Qatar is. And once again, those viewers watching for the first time, this is Canada to Canada. This is Santosh here. I'm on my travel log. So today we came to a place called Bethel Talla, which is right on the top, and other side you can see the Pearl Qatar. So same like I think Dubai, when you have seen Dubai Marina and those places there where you can see a lot of restaurants there, and I will show you the view how it looks. Keep watching. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please do that, and let's go. Okay, what are you guys doing?
We're gonna play chess.
Chess. You know to play chess?
Yeah.
How you can carry them? Are you able to carry them?
Yeah.
Where is a queen? There is a queen, there is a horse, there is an elephant.
Yeah, there's a horse.
Oh, yeah, that real horse. Put it down somewhere. Keep it down, it's too heavy maybe. Hello everybody, we are heading to the beach now today with our military here at the back. You can see cuties are at the back. Their names are, they're going to tell their names. Okay, who's going to say the name first?
My name is Sarah.
Good.
My name is Angela. My name is Rihanna.
Are you guys excited to go to the beach?
Yeah!
Oh my god, let's go and see how is the beach today, okay?
We are going to pick seashells.
Oh, pick the seashells?
Yeah,
And
let's see how we pick the seashells.
Yes, we'll do, okay? Angela, what are you going to do? Swim?
Yeah.
Okay. What Rihanna going to
do? She will teach me how to swim.
Rihanna want to swim? Do you want to swim?
I'm going to teach Sarah how to swim.
Okay, all the best. Let's see. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, this is now we are at the Sea Line Beach Resort. We have a camel ride here, which is one of the best excitement to see in Qatar when you come here. Please make sure that you visit this place. It's called Sea Line Beach area. Okay, let's go on a camel ride, okay? So riding a camel today, so this is a good excitement and good experience. I think this is the second time or third time I'm sitting on a camel riding, but really amazing experience. When you guys come here in Doha, Qatar, please do come to this place. It's called Skyline Beach Resort site. So they have so many camels here, so many camel rides, dunes, drive, desert safaris. So don't miss it. It's going to be very amazing, interesting. Okay, let me get down first now from the camel. Thank you. If you're coming with a family, with a kid, you can make your kids enjoy on these rides. Let me show you guys.